Hello my brothers and sisters in nerdiness, welcome back to the Spider's Web. In this video we're going to be doing another unboxing. It's only a small one. It's Cats Catacombs, Questing Tooth and Claw Volume 1. These are the kitty cats we're going to be opening in this video. So let's get... We've already opened some boxes, some of these, which are the dogs. In fact, I think we've got one. We've opened one, sorry. So I thought we'd start building up these, and then we get some nice little, what you call it, a nice little collection on the go. So we have the cats in here. There's nothing else, just the minis of the cats. So I just wanted to the house. So here are the cats, and it tells us on the back what they are. So we have Hester, the Abyssinian Wizard, Molly, the Licoy Rogue, Porcus, the Bobtail Barbarian, Brook, the Scottish Fold Cleric, Whisper, the Sphinx Sorcerer, and Cleo, the Bengal Ranger. So let's have a look one by one. This one, let's zoom in a little. This one is Whisper, the Sphinx Sorcerer. I'll move that to the side so we can focus on this one properly. There we are, really nice, nicely sculpted. I'll pop you up there. Next we have, in fact I won't pop you up there, I'll pop you back in the box. Next we have Molly, the Licoy Rogue. There we go. Very nice. I don't have to actually look at how these are painted or how these are coloured. I know some animals have a specific colour. I'm not sure about all of these. Here we have Porcus, the Bobtail Barbarian. Big axe. Looks a happy little chappy, doesn't he? Next we have, oh, who's this? Brook, the Scottish Fold Cleric. There we go. And then we have, this is lovely Hester, the Abyssinian Wizard, with her little raven or crow companion. At least I'm assuming that's what it is. Very nice. And finally, we have Theo, the Bengal Ranger. There we go. Loving it. How a cat actually fires a bow and arrow, I don't know, but yeah. Never mind, one of those things that we will ponder while playing with them. So that's it. There we are, the 6 minis from the Questing Tooth and Claw Volume 1 box for Cats and Catacombs, the Animal Adventures. And this time it's another Animal Adventures Tales of Cats and Catacombs. This is Questing Tooth and Claw Volume 2. 6 more cats to the collection. I don't know whether there's only... I think there's only 2. There might be 3. The Cats Catacombs boxes. I don't know. I can't remember. From the first set anyway. But we'll find out. In this one we have Sonia, the Maine Coon Fighter. We have Han, the Dragon Lee Monk. We have Indy, the Ragdoll Bird. We have Solon, the Persian Warlock. Verdandi, the Norwegian Forest Druid. And Barnabas, the Corot Paladin. I've never heard of some of these cats, but they are cats, so who cares? Let's zoom in. Whoops. There we are. So let's take these out of the box. Pop them to one side. And here they are. There we go. That's how they look in the packaging. But let's take them out and have a closer look. This, as you can tell, is Indy, the Ragdoll Bird. Small minis, lots of little details. I do like these sets. I've got a few to catch up on before I get the animals of Thingy Cove. Next we have, wow, this is Sonia, the Maine Coon Fighter. Maine Coons are incredibly big cats for domestic ones. There's a picture of one which is very dark grey. It looks like a lion, miniature lion, lovely. Here we have Barnabas, the Corot Paladin. I've never heard of a Corot. I'm going to have to look at what that is. Look at the armour. I wonder how many times it fell over once the armour was put on it. Because you know what cats are like when they feel anything weird on them, they just fall over, don't they? Oh, there we are. Nice. Next we have the monk, Han, Dragon Lee Monk. Or Dragon Lee Monk, I don't know how it's pronounced. Oh, this is another cat, breed of cat I've never heard of. Well, so that's that. Going to be looking up some of these just to see what they look like in real life. And then hopefully I can get the colour schemes somewhat accurate. Yes. Verdandi, the Norwegian Forest Druid. You've got his star. Up onto his belt there. Lovely. I mean, with the size of these, speed paints, contrast paints, would be an ideal way of painting them. Because they're not big minis, and there's a lot of detail to get through. So contrast paint might work, or contrast or speed paints, that kind of thing might work wonderfully with these, I'll say. And finally, we have Solon, the Persian Warlock. Now we're not quite sure. I think the 28mm scale. So obviously they're shorter than a 28mm human. Because let's face it, they are cats, and cats, domestic cats, are a lot smaller than humans. But there's a lot of detail packed into these minis, a lot of detail. But there we are. That's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Well, until next time, as always, stay safe and take care. God bless, and bye for now.